pelvic tilt on all fours. Okay, so this is another exercise to work your transverse abdominis. It's also quite a subtle exercise, and you can also work your pelvic floor whilst you're doing this one. So you're going to engage the lower abdominal muscles by pulling in and holding, again for a count of 3, pulling those tummy muscles in towards the spine without tensing up your glutes. Keep your butt cheeks relaxed and release. And as you draw the belly button in towards the spine, you can also engage your pelvic floor. So drawing up through the undercarriage, and hold and release. Your hands are just in front of your knees, and you're going to exhale as you pull in, inhale as you release.